Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I'm going to talk to you about receding hairline. A really good friend of mine is suffering from it, so I know firsthand what kind of emotional toll it can take on a person. So without further ado, let's get right into the topic. Both men and women suffer from receding hairline. As always, if we know the cause, we can address it and solve the problem. Some of the most common causes of receding hairline are what I'm going to discuss with you next, and then we will talk about how to solve the problem. First and foremost is age. Hair loss is usually a natural part of aging. There are thousands of hair follicles on the surface of the scalp, each growing their own hair. As those hair fall out, new ones replace them. But if hair follicles become damaged for any number of reasons, then this can result in hair loss and a receding hairline. But if you're a healthy individual, this doesn't have to start until your mid-60s. And another thing that plays a role is genetics. Family history seems to play a really great role in this case. Men with a family history of baldness may be more likely to lose their hair. It certainly doesn't have to, but there is a higher chance. Illness and stress are other reasons. Luckily, it often reverses itself when your body system is harmonized again. There may also be a link between particular lifestyle choices and hair loss. People who smoke may experience hair loss faster than those who do not smoke. There may also be a link between receding hairline and diet. For example, people who do not get enough protein in their diets may lose their hair more than people who do eat enough protein. Another thing that affects is hormones. And this is what I want to focus on. Hormonal changes may be the trigger for hair loss in both men and women. A hormone called DHT may have a link to male pattern baldness, as it causes the follicles to shrink to the point that no hair can grow in them anymore. So let me introduce you to an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme converts testosterone to DHT. The higher this enzyme, the higher DHT levels you will have in your body, causing receding hairlines. So it makes sense to normalize the level of this particular hormone. So what you need to do is things that will help you increase this hormone in your body. What you need to do is increase zinc, omega-3 and vitamin B2 in your diet. I would recommend consuming foods rich in these minerals and vitamins, as well as taking a supplement. Another hormonal reason for a receding hairline can be higher androgens. Androgens are male hormones, but females also have them, but in a much smaller quantities than males. If females have too much androgens, it is a condition called PCOS. This results in facial hair, acne, enlarged larynx, resulting in deeper voice, and excessive armpit hair. You can control androgen levels by maintaining insulin levels. I have discussed this in another video with you on PCOS. You can visit that video to get a deeper understanding of the topic. If you control your insulin levels, you can control androgen levels in your body. You should do that by eating foods that are low on glycemic index, like vegetables and meats, and avoiding carbs. Intermittent fasting is also great in controlling androgen levels, where you usually eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours during the day. Balanced diet, active lifestyle, and a good multivitamin and mineral supplement are usually the keys to avoiding such issues from occurring in the first place and resetting your body system if you are experiencing these issues. If you're experiencing receding hairline, make sure you work with a naturopath to align your body and reset the system and address all the imbalances you might be experiencing. Don't give up. There is always a solution. If what you have tried hasn't worked for you, maybe it's not for you. That is why I would recommend that you work with a naturopath, work with an herbalist, a practitioner of natural medicine to help you solve the problem, not the symptom. And you're more than welcome to visit my website, get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to help you with any of the issues that you're experiencing. As always, be your best self. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.